Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you add customers manually into the app platform. So when people download the app, when you go to your customer list here, you'll see all the people that have downloaded the app physically. If they don't download the app, you are able to add them manually. Okay, so there's a scenario, case in point would be, for example, someone comes into your place of business, you ask them to download your app, but they're busy, they're in a rush, they forgot their phone. You can grab their information, their name, email, phone number, whatever else you would like, and add them manually. And you come to your back office right here, you click the Add New button, and proceed to enter their names. So I'm going to add a customer here and fill out the details. So I've added the new customer information with their email. I've set a password for them. I've added a phone number, their gender, any other information that I'm able to collect. I'm also able to add that on the fly. And I'm going to hit the Submit button now. And you will see that this customer has now been added to our back office. Okay, so there she is. Now you'll see that there's a link here that says Shoot Admin Welcome Mail. So the system now knows that this person has not yet downloaded the app. So what you're able to do is you're able to set up an automatic email in here, automatic emails. And right here, the welcome mail from admin. This is the email that will go out when you click on the customer's link that says Shoot Admin Welcome Mail. So it allows you to send a pre-set up email that can explain how to download the app, put the links to the Apple, the Android version of the apps, explain why they should download the app, as well as give them their username and their password. Okay, all of this content is manageable. You can create this really easily and brand it to your business as well. So there's the way that you create the new users inside of your app platform without them even having to download the app. And then following up, you can send them an email immediately by clicking this link to automatically send them an email on how to download the app.